In this module, we are going to learn about the chapter Getting to Know Plants of class 6. In previous module, we have learned about the parts of plants and the types of plants. Now, in this module, we are learning about the root system. All of you know very well, there are two systems in the plants, that is the root system and shoot system. So, in this module, we are going to learn about the root system. The roots of most plants grow in the soil and they are having two functions, that is, they anchor the plant firmly in the soil, they hold the plants strongly, firmly in the soil, and they absorb water and minerals from the soil and supply to the other parts of the plants. These are the functions of the root. Every root has numerous fine structures called root hairs. Every root is having many new root hairs. This is known as root hairs. Which help the plant to absorb water and dissolve minerals from the soil. Now see, there are two types of root, that is taproot and fibrous root. Now let us see the taproot. The plants such as mango, apple, carrot have the taproot. The taproot system consists of a thick main root which has several fine roots attached to it. The taproot is having one main root, that is known as taproot, and having many root hairs along with that. These type of root is known as taproot. The plants which bear seeds with two cotyledon, that is known as dicot, having the taproots. Now let us see next, that is fibrous root. The fibrous root has many thin hair-like structures, or you can say root hairs, and the absence of main root. The roots which is having many root hairs and the main root is absent in that is known as fibrous root. Plants with seeds made up of one cotyledon, that is monocot. Mono means single. So the plants which are having single seeds have fibrous root. All kinds of grasses are monocots and have the fibrous root. Here you can see the main root is absent and many root hairs are present in that is known as fibrous root. Now modifications of the root. First is roots modified to store foods. Sometimes the roots are modified to store the foods. The roots of carrot, beetroot and radish plants are modified to store the food in that. If you observe a carrot or radish or beetroot, you will notice that they have tiny root hairs in that. Next, sometimes the roots are modified to provide extra support to the plant. Certain plants that have roots that are modified to provide extra support to the plant, that roots are called as aerial roots. That grows from the stem or branches and provide support to the plant, which grows from the branches or stem. It's not grown from the soil. Aerial roots are also known as prop roots, and the examples are banyan, coconut and maize plants have prop roots. So what we have learned, let us see the summary. That roots are of two types, that is taproot and fibrous root. In taproot, the main root is present and small hair-like structure is there. In fibrous root, main root is absent. Only numerous many root hairs are present. Fibrous roots are also roughly the same size and grow close to the surface. So I hope you all understand the types of root and the modification of root. In next module, we are going to learn about the shoot system. Thank you.